try the popping cooking kit. This is like a Japanese candy kit, and when I was young I used to like doing this a lot. And so I found it at Daiso Japan for like $3, but I think you can also get them on Amazon, but they're a lot more expensive. So if you have a Daiso near you, you can go ahead and just pick them up there. But we'll go ahead and open it and show you what's inside. So this is what's inside. It comes with a little tray, and these are like little cutouts for the donuts that you're going to be making. Here's a spoon, like a little pastry bag. These are crumbs, vanilla sauce powder, chocolate sauce powder, strawberry sauce powder, cocoa dough powder, custard dough powder, and sprinkles. And this you're gonna cut up and make like a little tray set for your donuts. Now we're making the icing for our donuts. So we have a strawberry icing and a vanilla icing, and then we're gonna pour them in here and mix with 1 triangle cup of water. Mold our donuts. We have a flower mold and a regular circle, and we're gonna go ahead and just press in our 2 different shapes of dough that we have. So here's our finished product. They came out kind of cute. This is just a little fun project to do. I found it in my pantry, and I just wanted to do it. So I guess we'll taste test how powder tastes like. Tastes like raw donuts.